bring it home is the founder and CEO of KIGT. Welcome, Paul.
Have you ever been running late and then all of a sudden you get in your car and your gas light's on, right? Millions of people still struggle with this issue. That's why at KIGT, we bring the fueling station to you. Make an extremely small and user-friendly charging station for your new electric car, for your home and when you're on the go. And I say new because when we made our chargers, we thought of the 5 million new plug-in cars expected to hit California roads. Not the folks typically in this room. People who aren't familiar with our competition. Then several months later, folks eventually upgrade to a level 2 fast charger like ours. Which is why we have thoughtful touchscreen features that allow you to schedule your car to begin during sessions during off-peak time to help you save money. Now imagine saying, Alexa, fuel my car, right? Now we understand to complement our home market customers, we must have a strong commercial network. And for that, we've built revenue models with customers like the University of Laverne and property owners that pay us for our software backend fee annually. Now, the chargers that they did buy from to add an extra layer of security to protect your billing information. Because the Wi-Fi chargers we've all used before out there are a bit more vulnerable to hackers. Now we have 3 flagship product types that we manufacture in Southern California with the capacity to build several thousands a month. We have a proprietary build that allows us to reduce our manufacturing costs and increase profitability per unit by an additional 60%. Now, utilities like Edison and transit agencies have set aside dollars, and KIGT's eligible, right? So to show how cool our technology is, we have a UCR microgrid project with 0.5 megawatt of solar, where we're going to show how our chargers can throttle the amount of power to cars based on demand response. Now, we have several commercial projects with resellers in Los Angeles, and some solar microgrid projects as well. Now our team has investors that own 18 McDonald's, and that's opportunity there for us. We're also a San Diego clean tech incubator company, and our chargers are able to help provide power back to your home and keep the lights on during emergencies like hurricanes. With your help, we can reshape 100 years of human habit. Thank you.
Give it up for all of them. It takes a lot to get up here and pitch in front of a room of 800 people. All right, so as a reminder, now is the time that we want to hear from you, although we won't reveal it just yet. Take out those apps. You get to cast your votes.